morning everybody, it's your girl Pearl back at it again with another video, and I'm here today to discuss something with you. Of course, it's gonna be mathematics again. So for our today's lesson, we're going to talk about deductive and inductive reasoning. First, what is problem solving? It is a process that includes examining the question or problem that is given to find the key ideas, choosing the appropriate method, doing the math, finding the answer, and rechecking it. Problem solving can help us determine the source of a problem and find an effective solution. It is a systematic process. By that I mean there are certain steps or stages you need to go through. Plus, problem solving is a trial and error kind of method, so it requires time and patience. Next is logic and reasoning. Logic and reasoning is under problem solving. So what is logic? Logic is the science of correct reasoning, while reasoning, it is the action of thinking about something in a logical or sensible way, and it is to find an answer to a problem by considering various possible solutions. Logic is essential in math because of its mathematical truth, and it is used for justifications. On the other hand, reasoning helps us develop our higher order thinking skills, and it helps us understand math in a more meaningful way. Deductive reasoning is the process of drawing conclusions based on premises that are generally assumed to be true. It is often referred as the top-down reasoning because it starts with a general statement to a specific statement. Usually, ginagamit ang deductive reasoning for hypothesis because of its accuracy to form a logical conclusion. Deductive comes from the root word deduce, meaning to arrive at a fact or conclusion by reasoning. So that means mas ninanarrow down niya yung information or data. All birds have feathers. All robins are birds, therefore robins have feathers. Cacti plants and all plants perform photosynthesis, therefore cacti perform photosynthesis. Syllogism refers to two statements, a major and a minor statement, joined together to form a logical conclusion. The two accurate statements mean that the statement will likely be true for all additional premises of that category. Syllogism applies in deductive reasoning because there are two or more accurate statements involved. Please do not confuse truth with validity. In logic, truth is a property of statements like premises and conclusions, while validity is a property of the argument itself. Next is inductive reasoning. It is a series of specific cases to a general statement. It is often used to create a hypothesis rather than apply them to different scenarios. Lastly is inductive reasoning. You start with the specifics and then you make general conclusions. An example here is I got coffee once at a cafe and it was horrible, so all of their coffee must be terrible. The given sequence is 1, 5, 9, 13. We're going to look for the next term, so we're going to do math. 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 9 is 4. Therefore, the next term is 17 because 17 minus 13 is 4.